Good morning everyone. This is Chef Vinay. Today I am going to prepare pancakes with variations and children love very much. Traditionally pancakes are made with refined flour, but to make it healthy diet I am going to replace with a little variation in refined flour, substituting with ragi flour, oats, banana, also other nuts such as sunflower seeds, melon seeds, and I am also going to introduce millets, two variations. And the recipe follows such as sugar 25 grams, milk 175 grams, egg 125 grams, baking powder 10 grams, refined oil 50 grams, refined flour 225 grams. To substitute all refined sugar, refined flour, I have used jaggery, oats, ragi flour and pumpkin seeds, melon seeds, and also I have used millets in place of refined flour and sugar. I have substituted four variations. The first variation I have used is ragi with soya milk pancake. Second one, oats with chocolate pancake. Third one, almonds with pumpkin seeds pancake. And finally, fourth one is millets with banana pancake. The first preparation of pancake is I have substituted instead of flour I have used ragi flour, and instead of sugar I have used jaggery, and instead of milk I have used soya milk and soya chunks which is soaked overnight and deseeded and remove the skin. Let us start the preparation of ragi soya milk pancake. Let switch on the gas with the low simmer. Substitute butter onto the non-stick pan, little amount of oil, 2 to 3 ml. Heat the pan properly with butter and oil, seasoned well before you start adding pancake batter. Now it is ready. I'll add 1 ladle of mixture to 1½ into the non-stick pan. Increase your flame. Add soya soaked chunks on top of it, and to like more, for the kids, add chocolate chips 1 tablespoon. Simmer it again and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's done of one side of the pancake. Flap the pancake to other side and cook more 3 to 2 minutes. My pancake is almost done. Check whether it is cooked properly other side. Yes, it's done. Now it's ready to serve with maple syrup or cane sugar syrup, or substitute with honey, whatever the choice you can use at your home. I also prepared the second pancake of ragi soya milk pancake. Second variation in pancake I have changed with flour is substituted with oats, roasted oats and dates, golden syrup and little amount of cinnamon powder. So let me add for the batter of 200 grams of batter, 2 pinches of cinnamon powder, oats I have already added and golden syrup is also added. Let us mix one time with whisk. Mix well. Now pancake is ready to make cooking. Season the pancake non-stick pan with oil, little amount of oil. And now ready to cook the second variation of oats date pancake. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons also garnish with chunks of dates on top of it, 3 to 4. Amount of golden syrup, 5 to 2 ml on top. Cook the pancake for 3 to 4 minutes one side. Flap the pancake to another side. Almost oats pancake is done. Transfer into plate. Oats pancake is second one is also ready. Garnish with maple syrup. And serve warm. We completed our second variation of pancake. Now going for third variation of pancake is I have substituted with sunflower seeds, white and green, and raisins, blackcurrant and little amount of nutmeg in the batter. Let us start. Season again non-stick pan with little amount of oil, 2 ml to 3 ml. In this batter I have already added blackcurrant, almonds and pumpkin powder roasted, and now I am going to add pinch of nutmeg powder. Mix properly before we drop it into the non-stick pan. Add 2 ladles of pancake batter. Garnish with raisins, chopped raisins I have chosen. Add on top of the pancake, and other ingredients, blackcurrant, little 1 chunk of butter, little sunflower seeds, roasted one, and sliced almonds. Put it back to flame. Almost one side is done. Again flap again to other side. My second pancake of dates with melon seeds, sunflower seeds is ready. Garnish with cane sugar syrup, which is abundantly available from local markets. Serve warm. Final variation of pancake I have tried with millets. I have used foxtail millet and barnyard millet. These are overnight soaked, and then I have roasted and made it into paste with banana puree also is added, and little amount of cinnamon powder I am going to add in this pancake batter. So add 2 pinches to 3 pinches, mix properly. Millets pancake, and then slice the bananas for garnish for the pancake. 1 banana is enough. Medium slice. Cooking of pancake, last variation. Seasoned again with oil in a non-stick pan. Add 2 ladles of batter into the non-stick pan. Little oil on top and sides of dish. Add sliced bananas in the center of the batter. Instead of adding 2 ladles also, you can prepare smaller mini pancakes also. Flap to another side. Almost done. 2 drops of oil. The millet pancake first one is ready. My millet's second pancake is also ready. Let us serve warm with honey. Top it with honey and serve warm. 1 tablespoon is enough. Today I have tried with 4 variations. So that is date with oats pancake, and ragi flour, soya milk with chocolate variation of pancake, banana and puree of banana I have added into the banana pancake, and here I have tried with millets and also with sunflower seeds, raisins and blackcurrant, 1 more variation pancake. At your home you can also try with so many variations which are abundantly available locally, as well as you can try with little variations in pancake recipe. Thank you.